These guys, 4 weeks, heading toward 5. That's my licorice. That's the licorice right there.
Are there mice here?
No, that's the little one, the little orange one, Thomas, that's in the kennel.
Sounds like it's in the walls and the kittens are looking.
Oh.
Look at them. Do they have rats in the wall here?
Could be them making it. Yes, it's. You better get it.
You know,
Amelia.
She is awful slow, but so there. But oh no, you're doing that head back and forth thing. Your eyes haven't been open long, have they?
Junior, if you
Why don't they keep your mommy when they're this young? Why don't you just stay with your mommy, huh?
come on.
Better yet, why does your mommy leave you?
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Carlos, can you meet the pest control technician on the
Here, we'll put the bottle over there for
Can
you.
you meet the pest control technician on the front floor?
Here, you go play with the bottle.
Come back, baby, now. Now, Gray Fluffy is... There's a Gray Fluffy one on the table, isn't there?
I don't know.
She looks like a...
No, she looks like she's gone.
Okay, where'd you go there, Gertie? She's the one.
Hi, Junior.